How's it going, everybody? This is Dr. John Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here in Utah. So we're actually at Peach Creek Chiropractic with Dr. Chelsea Jones here. The whole purpose of this video and some other videos that are going to be coming out soon is that we want to start showing other specialties within the area, especially in Davis County part of Utah, just so that people know that there's not just one type of chiropractor, that there's multiple types, and that if you have a specific problem or kind of issue, that you know this is the chiropractor that I need to see to get the best results, rather than kind of shopping around for different chiropractors hoping to find the right one. So this should help narrow it down for everyone, but also you can see firsthand and meet these chiropractors basically, and then know what they do. So this is the video, and then I'll introduce you to Dr. Chelsea Jones. Thanks.
Hi everyone. So as Dr. Clayton has mentioned, I'm Dr. Chelsea Jones. I'm also in Layton, Utah at Peach Creek Chiropractic. So I do more prenatal and pediatric specific chiropractic adjustments, very gentle and safe for both babies and moms during pregnancy through all trimesters. I also do animal chiropractic, so all sorts of different avenues of chiropractic and different ways to get your adjustment through activator or just hands-on adjustments. So we'll look at that in the video.
So now in this part of the video, we're going to show Dr. Jones adjusting me as well as me adjusting Dr. Jones. And you'll be able to see the differences here of how we both adjust. We both went to different schools for chiropractic. We both learned different techniques, different skills. That's why adjustments may look differently than another, but they're all effective in their own way. And that's why we as chiropractors have our specialties, why we have our differences, why we use certain techniques for whether it's the different sizes of people, whether if they're male or female. And just like Dr. Jones talked about, if it's a baby, they've got to be the most soft and gentle adjustments out there. And so what you'll be able to see is us adjust each other. But then if you do want to check out specific adjustments like Dr. Jones does for babies or for animals like horses, you can go check out her Instagram at Peach Creek Chiropractic and see more of that information there. Thanks.
So here we're going to show a seated cervical. So first I'm just going to palpate, see how his neck is moving. That way we know we're adjusting exactly where he needs it. So this is just a little different than if he were to be laying down on his back like you see in a lot of adjusting videos. So for this one, as he's seated, he's already supporting his own head and neck. So I just have to come in for the adjustment. That way he's a little more comfortable. So I'm just gonna come right in here and stabilize that segment. I'm gonna lean you over to your left side and take a nice deep breath in for me and relax all the way out. Good. Perfect. And then we're just gonna recheck, see how the other side is. And do that same type of adjustment. Lean you over to the right. One more deep breath, all the way out. Good. And then just one more recheck. Everything feels good and he is good to go. Alrighty, so we are going to analyze leg lengths, check and see how he's doing. So his left is just a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna come in here, just feel for the muscles, see how hips are moving. Any discomfort through here?
A little bit on the left.
Just a little, okay. I'm going to do a couple drops right here. So this is something that can be used. You can use a drop for any type of size. It can be gentle for kids or prenatal, like I've mentioned is my specialty, or just like in Dr. Clayton's circumstance, if he's a little stiffer, we can use that as well. And then that drop. Gonna work through here on both sides, make sure he's all balanced. And just recheck leg lengths, those are looking good. Just do a little post check, make sure everything feels balanced. Any areas of tenderness through here?
Mainly just tied all the way up.
Okay. Great, so we've done an adjustment through the pelvis and low back. He's just a little stiff through here. So we're gonna show another adjustment. So I'm gonna start right in here. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath for me, all the way out. And this is another great adjustment if they're a little stiff or tight. Get some great movement here. All right. Then I'm gonna have you flip on your back for me. The last part of an adjustment is to go through something called a cranial. So there's cranial sacral work. So these are points throughout the head and neck. This helps really reset the body into a parasympathetic state and really relaxes you. And these just go along very specific points, aligning the cranial bone, just helps open everything up. Helps with the flow through the sinuses, any nasal congestion, allergies, everything like that. This is perfect if you are sick, you can do these, or helpful for babies if they're congested. Last point is right on the base of the skull. We have a lot of tension here, especially if we drive or sit at a desk a lot. So we're just going to release these points, really relax the head and neck. All set.
Perfect. Thank you.
You are welcome.
All right, so the first thing I'm gonna check on Dr. Jones is we're just gonna go through the ribs. So I'll just kind of grab the hip, work my way through. Work to the other side. Okay, then we're going to work through the thoracic spine here. Deep breath in here. All the way in. Deep breath in here. All the way in. And then deep breath in here. All the way out. And then deep breath in here. All the way out. Okay, and then go ahead and lay on your side facing me. Deep breath in here, all the way out. On your other side. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Lay on your back. Work up in the arms. Wrists. Hands. All right, so we're gonna do the same type of adjustment that Dr. Jones did on me, which is doing basically a seated neck adjustment or seated cervical adjustment. Put your head all the way over. Nice and relaxed. From here to the lower part of the neck over here. Relax that all the way over. All the way over. Nice and relaxed. There it is. All right, thanks everyone for watching our video of adjusting each other as chiropractors. We are two different chiropractors basically right down the street from each other, and we have two different specialties in which we help patients, whether they're babies, adults, bodybuilders, or animals. So basically you like these kind of videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos here. I'm Dr. John Clayton, your Layton chiropractor here in Utah for Supra Chiropractic, and this is Dr. Chelsea Jones. You can find her at
peachcreekchiropractic.com, and that's on Facebook, Instagram, or if you want to check out our website, even to schedule, it's just www.peachcreekchiropractic.com. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.